Find a comfortable seat. Could be in a chair or on the floor. Your hands can be on your legs, palms down, palms up, or in your lap. Whatever is comfortable for you. And when you're ready, simply close the eyes. Allow yourself to settle into your seat. Letting the shoulders relax. The face soften. Notice if there's anywhere else in the body that you can just find a little more ease or comfort. And from there, just start noticing the breath. Noticing what it feels like as you breathe in and out. And maybe noticing the breath as it comes into the body and deepening it a little bit. When you exhale, maybe taking a little bit longer. Perhaps the next inhale you breathe in and think about filling the body with your breath from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And when you exhale, allow that exhale to take even longer, super slow. And one more great big long inhale and even longer exhale. Feeling a wash of relaxation coming from the top of your head down past the shoulders and arms, down past the hips into the legs and all the way to the toes, until at last you feel very calm and peaceful. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to imagine a flower bud at your heart center, and allowing that flower bud to open. So now, in your mind's eye, imagine the flower bud. It's just a tiny little bud right there in the center of your chest. Notice now the flower petals start to open, expanding. What color is the flower? What kind of flower is it? Are there many petals or few? Allow the flower to get larger, expanding until it fills up the whole center of your chest. Imagine love and compassion pouring out from the center of the flower and filling up your heart space and your chest. And then the flower grows even larger, encompassing your whole body from the top of your head out to cover the arms and the hands, all the way down to the feet. Feeling a feeling of deep compassion wash over you, of love, of acceptance. Allow that feeling to grow. You are loved just as you are. You are enough. There is nothing else you need to be. Allowing yourself to feel awash in love and acceptance. Feeling the body even stiller and more at peace. Staying with this feeling as you breathe. Coming back to the image of the flower at your heart center, encompassing the body with its petals. It's holding you. Feel the petals over your back, shading your head like a big hug. Breathing here. If there's any part of you that needs just a little extra love, a little bit more compassion, send your energy to that part of your body or parts. Spending some time here, radiating love, peace, acceptance. Coming back to your breath now. Let's deepen it again, breathing nice and deep into the body. Exhaling, letting anything you want go. And again, inhaling nice and deep into the body. And exhaling doubt. Exhaling negativity, letting it go. One more big breath in. And a big breath out. And when you're ready, perhaps you simply wiggle fingers and toes or move your shoulders or any sort of movement that's going to help bring you back into awareness. And at last, opening the eyes. And here you are. Thank you for meditating with me today. Namaste.